right now is 4:51 a.m. I'm on my way to pick up a mi-yacht-a, and believe it or not, this is actually the start of a vlog.
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in you.
Just a real quick update. I just tried to get off at an Oasis because you boys real hungry and I need some coffee, but it was closed. So I guess that's how today's going.
Eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight.
Morning, beautiful. How you doing? Ready to hack and send it.
Big clout.
Oh, frick. Oh, heck. Then the biggest cloud of them all, that young NA, and then right round the corner here, that young ND. Gotta get them glamour shots. Oof.
I didn't realize I fucking took all the stuff
Yeah.
off. This is all everything off the old one or the new one. We can just take it upstairs real quick.
For sure. How's it going, buds?
Pretty good. Hey, you want to do mine next? Yeah, sure. No, I'm doing that one. I'll fucking kill you.
Send it.
That's too much.
So, we're having a bunch of fun so far. I haven't gotten any in-car footage yet because I'm kind of over driving the car and I've actually been off a couple of times. So, I'm going to try to dial it back a little bit and just focus on my driving line. But we're all having a ton of fun. Adam and Raed are just coming in now. They were just having a crazy battle. This is Adam's second ever track day, but he was definitely giving Raed a run for his money. He wouldn't let him by. But the car's doing great, and the weather's holding up, and we're still sending it.
Hey, I'm vlogging out here. Mind your own business. You want a kiss about it?
Fuck yeah. Hold on, let me wipe.
Oh, no need.
So I didn't get any in-car video today, but I focused on my lines and like not spinning off every other session, or...
But you did it anyway.
But I did it anyways. I definitely did it anyways. But we still have all of tomorrow to get video and get footage of actually driving and me spinning off every session. Right now we're at the hotel. We're about to go out and get something to eat and probably just call it a night from there. So, see you tomorrow. Okay, we're up. It's 8 o'clock. And we're getting ready for the trek. How's it feel, Raed? We vlogging.
I'm tired.
Yep.
I have a headache.
Yep.
Are you
Always.
silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Still gonna send it.
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight.
So we're back at Gingerman. As you can see, it's been snowing, but the track's been really nice. We've gone out for a few sessions already. We had a slight incident. Just spun out on one of the corners and picked up some dirt. Just a slight livery change, no big deal. Just we detailed the interior a little bit. Just adds character, you know? Okay, we're about to send it. I'm actually filming now. And I'm gonna try to focus mostly just on lines and not sending it too hard. So hopefully I don't spin off, but we'll see.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Black flagged. I don't know why right now, but as soon as I figure that out, I'll let you know. So the session was black flagged because one of the cars went off pretty bad. Nobody's hurt or anything, but they just had to get a truck into... Hey, Rod. They had to get a truck in to pull the car out of the ditch, basically, and they just didn't want a hot track during that, so the rest of that session was just scrubbed. We got a decent amount of time in, so beginner's going out now, and that's Adam. Send it, brother.
So Steen just basically summed up everything I wanted to say.
Yep.
Vlogception.
Vlogception. Touch tips.
So Steen.
Session. I pulled myself off a little bit early because I'm definitely getting a little tired. Just not driving great, making stupid mistakes. I've been off a lot the last couple of days, but I've definitely feel like I've learned some stuff and I've had a ton of fun. So I think we're just gonna go out, get something to eat, then head home, and it's the end of the weekend.
Tonight there's something inside that I can't ignore.
After another 2-hour drive home, I am back in the Jetta. I still have about another hour or so drive to my actual house. We just dropped off the NA with Raed, huge thanks to Rod for like letting me borrow it and letting me basically ruin it all weekend. It was a ton of fun with the guys. I hope I can get my RX-7 done soon so I can go and do this in my own car, but for just a slow NA mi-yacht-a, it was a blast. Thanks to Rod again for letting me borrow the car. Thank you to Jimmy. If you're in the like Chicagoland Midwest area, hit up GPSTrackTime. You can get a ton of seat time for like a super reasonable price. I think this whole weekend, both days together, was about $270, which honestly for 2 days, like, that's a crazy good price. So again, GPSTrackTime, Jimmy's a great guy, and just spend a weekend or a day at a track and have a ton of fun. So I'm gonna drive home now and shower and pass the fuck out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.